Well, it seems as though my experiment has been a failure with VoiceThread. I've heard from a couple of you that the VoiceThread is not working for you, that when you click the link, it says that well, it doesn't say that you can access it. When I built the VoiceThread and tried to troubleshoot it, what I did is when I click the link, I see no voice threads found, and then just create one. So then I'd create a new voice thread and either add media from my computer. I can audio record or add pictures or video. But clearly that is not working. So the simulation experience, part of the value of it is in the debrief. So my thinking is at this juncture, rather than all of you experience the frustration that a few of you have shared with me about the voice thread, what I'd like for you to do is in your assignment 2 groups to have a conversation about the simulation and talk about how the simulation relates to Title IX law and what your impression of the simulation was. As you can see, I'm trying to get back to our site, and these are some voice threads that I've used before with other groups, or that I'm using with other groups. So I'm not sure why this experiment isn't working this time with your class. I apologize for that. So I'm going to create a link in your folder for you to have a quick discussion around Title IX law and how it applies to the simulation in your assignment 2 teams. Then use the discussion board link just to post that up, and it'll give me an opportunity to view your conversations. All right. Thanks so much. And thanks to those of you who reached out and said, hey, this isn't working the way you conceived it. And it's making me crazy. So take care, and I hope you have a good weekend. Thanks.